This is just going to be a quick look at video to show you what comes inside the packaging of this item, and that's all. They cut well. I purchased them in the past. I used them for different things. They're pretty precise and they cut really well. They have different sizes, and I purchased an additional one because through Honey it came up at a lower price than the last time I purchased it for. I just wanted to share what you get. You get 2 of these knives. The handles themselves are around that long. And really easy to switch out blades. You just loosen this and tighten it. So you loosen it to put one in or take one out, and then you tighten it like this so that you can tighten it up and it's nice and firm in there. It'll stay in there. So there's one of the blades, one of the many blades that come with it. This is a set of 2 that I purchased, and this is again just a look at. So let's show you the rest of the blades that come in there. There's wow, there's a lot of them. You get a total of 62 of the same type of blades. This is a close-up of the blade. There's 62 of them. And it's the one that also comes with it already mounted. And they work really well when you want to get precise on a certain cut. No complaints about them whatsoever. So again, I only purchased them because they were on special, and I thought I'd show them and share them with you if you wanted to get a close-up look of the actual item. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. This is everything that comes inside of it. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item. Purchased on Amazon's website. Mlife Precision Carving Craft Knife Stainless Steel Hobby Knives DIY Artwork Cutting 2 Handles 60 Spare Blades Storage Case, January 11, 2021. Cost, $9.99. Material stainless steel. Brand Mlife. Color 2 handles 60 blades. Item Dimensions LxWxH 6.5 by 2 by 1 inches. Handle material metal. Item weight 0.2 pounds. About this item. Sharp blade change in 5 seconds or less, fits all X-acto blades, further adding longevity to your X-acto knife and other utility and hobby knives. Buy one take 60, 2 types of blade shapes. Blades come in 6 storage containers that keep them safe and lubricated. Lightweight metal handle and textured grip reduces fatigue and offers more precision and smooth control. With safety cap to cover the blade, it can avoid unnecessary cuts. Convenient for storage and portability to meet your needs of any project. Versatile utility knives, ideal for precise projects, for models, artwork, delicate, precision cutting, detailing, trimming and stripping. Product description. Features. Make precise cuts in a variety of materials with the precision knife with safety cap. Included 60 pieces fine point blades, and the medium weight metal handle enables you to make agile cuts with ease. This knife easily cuts through various of materials including paper, plastic, metal, film, acetate, and wood. An easy change blade system lets you replace blades quickly to meet the needs of any project. Comes with safety cap for the pen knife, while included a plastic package, 6 safety boxes for 60 blades makes it easy to storage. Razor sharp. X-acto blade. Sharp and durable. Precision caving knife with number 11 fine point blade for better cuts. Very sharp stainless steel blades and lightweight metal handle make every cut with ease, save your time. Extra blade set, There are 60 pieces. Extra blades comes with Mlife art knife set, each shape 30 pieces. Extra blades supply you long time use. Save money for you. Blades package. All the extra blades are packed in a small plastic box. A total of 6 boxes, each box holds 10 pieces same shape blades. You can easily change blades if you need. Anti-slip grip. Safety cap. Anti-slip design handle. Metal handle with textured anti-slip design for easy grip. Art knife with safety cap. Safe cap can protect you from getting hurt when not used. Package content: 2x knives, 60x extra blades, 1x plastic case. Product information: color: 2 handle 60 blades. Product dimensions: 6.5 by 2 by 1 inches. ASIN B074P34 MFB.